All right, WMC, this is the video to find our two mini winners for the winner's choice number 4. So we'll check the time, August 8th at 8:39 p.m. We're going to go over to the mini and type live. We have August 8th at 8:39 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then the top 2 after the final roll will win spots in the main. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. 11 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Looking for the top 2. It is Scott and Ashley. So Scott, you get 2, and Ashley, you get the remainder. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, August 8th, 8:40 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.